Here we are. We are playing catch with Rudy. Andrew thinks he's playing too. I think we have two puppies. Alright, here we go. Ready? Go get it! Andrew's gonna go get it. Bring it back, Rudy. Andrew likes to run into things with his head like Rudy does. Bring it back, Rudy. Rudy. Rudy, where's your ball? Go get it. Andrew's gonna go get it. Go on. Come on, let's go get it. Nope, almost got it. Ready? Go get it.